Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. SLP token has formed another bearish pennant, and in today's video, we will analyze are we going to break out this pennant or we are going to break down the support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to show you this 4 hourly time frame chart, and we can see that the price line has formed this bearish pennant and it is testing the resistance more than the support. So it is another signal, because if the price line tests the support more than the resistance, so we can expect that the price line will break down the support. But here we have the opposite situation, and the price line is testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout. And as you know that this is the bearish pennant, and bearish pennant or falling wedges are normally bullish bias patterns. And previously we were also watching this support of 2.45 cents, and the price line has broken down this support, but we still have the support of this falling wedge or bearish pennant as well. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down this support, then our next support will be here at 1.75 cents. And when we broke out the resistance of the channel, since then I've been telling you that this should be our stop loss if we are trading this channel, because this was a very long-term channel. And before the breakout, if we switch to the 4 hourly time frame, I'm just copying this trend line from here of 1.75 cents and going to paste it here, then you can see that before this breakout we tested the support, and this was our recent swing low on the 4 hourly time frame chart, and we broke out the resistance of the channel. Therefore, I will not recommend to hold SLP more if this support will be broken down. Now, if we switch back to the daily time frame, then we were very close to test this previous resistance of the channel as a support, but only because of the support of the bearish pennant we could not touch the support of the channel so far. Therefore, if the price line breaks out, by the way, our target can be top of this wedge that is approximately here at 4 cents, but before that we have different resistance levels, like here at 2.45 cents that has been turned into the resistance now, and then 3.2, and the final target can be here. Therefore, the next few hours are again really very important for SLP token. It can break down or break out the support or resistance of this pennant very soon within next few hours. I'm expecting for the breakout, because this is the bullish bias pattern, and we are already above a very strong support that was previously working as a resistance of this down channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.